So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Lyft is making driver updates. So, you want to read this?
Yeah, Lyft aspired to kill car ownership. Now it aims to profit from it. The company once claimed that ride-hail services and robo-taxis would make personal cars obsolete. Mounting losses have prompted a rethink.
Guys, every time Uber and Lyft make a quote-unquote update, they're fixing their app, they're making it better. Usually it means they're trying to profit more money and take more money from drivers.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, do I have to subscribe to this? No, okay. All right, we're in luck. We're in luck today. Here we go. You want to read this one?
Yeah. Lyft customers know it as the bright pink app to tap when they need a car ride or to rent a bike or scooter. Today, the company announced it wants to be the place to go to care for your own car. Lyft's app will offer a way to find and reserve parking in 16 cities, summon roadside assistance, and schedule vehicle maintenance. So they're trying to do it all, which I personally don't think that's a good idea, but
yeah, when you expand to too many different things, they're trying to be like Uber basically, but Lyft's app will offer a way to find a parking spot, like
I don't know. Some of these things just seem unnecessary. Like, I already have someone to go to for roadside assistance.
Yeah.
And vehicle maintenance.
And it's probably a sign, honestly, that their normal app is not making them enough money.
Yeah, so they're trying to add more features.
Or it's not profitable. So they're like, oh, let's do this, let's do that, let's do this, let's do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. Right here. Read that.
Oh. As Lyft and its larger competitor Uber search for a way to finally generate a profit, some visions they once espoused for the future have been tweaked, if not left on the side of the road. Lyft once pushed for an end to personal car ownership.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, I guess we'll see if they're actually successful. Oh, wait, so it said he predicted robo-taxis would account for the majority of Lyft rides in the middle of the next decade. And he reckoned that between conventional Lyft rides and autonomous ones, private car ownership would all but end in major U.S. cities by 2025.
Yeah, a lot of people, said that robo-taxis would be... Actually, I went to a conference at Berkeley when I was there, and there was a Lyft executive there who worked on the autonomous vehicle, whatever, part of the company, and they said that by 2023, I think, that they would have that they would be like autonomous Lyft cars. So a lot of people said that, the robotaxis are going to be here, they're going to be here, and then they just keep pushing back the date more and more and more and more. Because I think they do that because they want to tell investors like, this is our plan, this is our big plan, this is how we're going to finally make money. And then it's like, it's coming in a couple years. And then they're like, we need 10 more years, 20 more years.
Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a while before that really starts to take off.
Yeah. And then when it does take off, I don't know, that's going to shift our whole, not just Lyft drivers and Uber drivers, but everybody. Like, nobody's going to be driving cars anymore.